in the crushing blackness of the abyssal plain. Miles beneath the sun-kissed surface, life persists in the most extraordinary ways. Here, evolution has painted with a palette of pure light. Bioluminescent creatures, like living constellations, drift through the eternal night. They flash and pulse, sending silent messages into the void. But these fleeting sparks are just a prelude to a phenomenon so grand, so mystifying, that it has remained hidden from human eyes for millennia. A secret whispered only in the deepest currents, a legend of the ocean itself. What if I told you that in this crushing darkness, a river of light flows, guided by ancient mariners unlike any other? Tonight, we descend into this enigmatic world to chase a ghostly glimmer, a legend that speaks of a luminous pilgrimage. Our journey begins where the light of day surrenders completely to the deep for weeks. Our deep-sea drones have patrolled these desolate waters, hoping to catch a whisper of the truth. And then it happened. A single point of light, then another, and another. A procession emerges from the gloom. Not just a random scattering of creatures, but a coordinated, moving spectacle. A vast congregation of sea turtles, each shell glowing with an ethereal, soft blue light, is swimming with purpose. They move as one, forming a shimmering, living pathway, a river of souls stretching into the unseen distance. Where are they going? And how is this impossible sight even real? The sight is hypnotic, almost supernatural. It's a phenomenon that defies our current understanding of marine biology. Aboard our research vessel, the Odyssey, the atmosphere is electric. We were initially here to study hydrothermal vents, but our sonar picked up an anomaly too strange to ignore, a massive, slow-moving biological signature. When the first drone footage came in, showing the glowing turtle procession, our original mission was immediately abandoned. We had stumbled upon something far more profound. We couldn't just be passive observers. The pull of this mystery was irresistible. An unspoken agreement passed through the crew. We had to follow them. We had to know where this river of light was leading. So, we've recalibrated our navigation systems, packed our submersibles, and set a new course. Following the spectral glow of these magnificent creatures into the heart of the unknown, our journey has been anything but straightforward. The ocean seems to be guarding its secret well. For days, we've been sailing through a disorienting, unnaturally thick fog that blankets the sea, reducing visibility to near zero. Our advanced radar systems are glitching, confused by strange energy readings we can't explain. At night, the water around our ship comes alive with eerie, phosphorescent lights that dance and swirl in patterns that seem almost intelligent. The compass spins erratically, and the crew speaks in hushed tones, sharing stories of ghost ships and forgotten sea myths. It feels less like a scientific expedition and more like a voyage into a dream. The air is heavy with anticipation and a touch of fear. We are truly off the map now, guided only by the faint, pulsating glow of the turtles on our deep-sea monitors. Then, just as our hope began to wane, a silhouette broke through the dense, swirling fog. At first, it was just a shadow, a darker shape against the grey canvas. But as we drew closer, the fog thinned, and the vision that unfolded before us stole our breath. An island that exists on no chart, a land forgotten by time. And it was glowing. The entire landmass was bathed in a surreal blue-violet luminescence, a soft, pulsating light that seemed to emanate from the very rocks and trees. We realized instantly what we were seeing. The light wasn't from the island itself. It was the combined glow of millions upon millions of luminous turtles. They had reached their destination, covering the beaches and climbing the gentle slopes, turning this lost paradise into a beacon in the lonely ocean. We had arrived at the Isle of Light. Deploying our exploration team was a surreal experience. Stepping onto the beach was like stepping into another world. The sand itself seemed to sparkle, infused with the bioluminescent residue left by the turtles. The air hummed with a low, resonant energy. As we ventured inland, we discovered a network of vast, cathedral-like caves. Inside, the walls were covered in strange, glowing algae and fungi, fed by the constant presence of the turtles. The light they cast reflected off crystalline formations, creating a dazzling, kaleidoscopic effect. Deeper in the island's lush ancient forest, we found them gathered around tranquil pools of water, their collective glow illuminating the canopy above like a star-filled sky. It was a sanctuary, a sacred place of immense power and beauty, a spectacle of nature that felt almost divine. This was their nursery, their haven. As we documented this incredible ecosystem, our geologist made a groundbreaking discovery. The island's core wasn't ordinary volcanic rock. It was composed of a unique, crystalline mineral, rich in rare earth elements. We found ancient carvings inside the deepest cave, not made by humans, but etched by the claws of turtles over countless generations. The story they told was astonishing. These turtles weren't just bioluminescent, they were biosilicates. Their shells had, over millions of years, evolved to absorb and integrate the island's unique minerals. They weren't just living on the island, they were the island. The turtles are the living, breathing descendants of this geological anomaly, and their pilgrimage is a cycle of renewal. They return here to lay their eggs, embedding the mineral into the next generation, ensuring the island's light and their own species will never fade. The mystery wasn't just about a place, but about a symbiotic relationship between life and land, a story of coevolution written in stone and light. The River of Light wasn't just a path, it was a homecoming. What we found in the deep ocean rewrites our understanding of life's incredible adaptability. It reminds us that our planet is still full of wonders, with secrets hidden in its deepest corners, waiting for us to find them. The story of the luminous Turtle Island is a testament to the profound and mysterious connections that weave through the fabric of nature. There are still so many discoveries to be made, so many mysteries to unravel. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the unknown. If you were as captivated by this story as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next expedition into the wonders of our world. Stay curious.